Good morning everyone, my name is Ferdinand Tan at ang i-report natin is graphing of parabola but the given is only vertex and directrix. So, ang vertex natin dito is negative 1, 5 at ang directrix natin is x is equals to negative 5. So, since ang directrix natin is x equals to negative 5, ang magiging form ng parabola natin is on the right side since ang x natin is negative. So, dahil siya, right side siya, ang magiging formula natin is So, ang gagawin natin dyan is isa-substitute natin since ang h natin is negative 1 at ang k natin is 5. Isa-substitute natin siya. So, saan natin nakuha yung 4? Dito sa graph natin, mag-graph natin yung negative 1 over 5. So, dito siya. At ang directrix natin na negative 5. So, ito yan. Dito siya. So, ang A natin is 4 because yung A, nire-represent niya kung ilang units yung agwat from the focus to the vertex. Since wala tayong focus at since magkasukat lang yung focus at yung directrix natin from the vertex, bibilangin natin yung sa vertex. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang A natin is 4. So, ayan ay magiging y minus 5 quantity squared is equals to 16 quantity x plus 1. So, we will have the h is equals to negative 1. We have the k is equals to 5 at ang a natin na 4. So, para makuha natin yung focus natin, yung bilang ng focus natin, itong 16 is gagawin natin, equals natin siya sa 4a divided by 4. So, cancel natin yun. Divided by 4 is equals to 4. So, ang A natin is 4. It's equals to 8. So, i-graph natin siya. Since ang A natin is 4 units, bibilang tayo para malaman natin yung focus. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung ito sa positive 3 yung focus natin. And since 8 yung natin, yung yung latus rectum natin, bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we have the latus rectum of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have the latus rectum of positive 3. So, kung i-graph natin yan, ayan, kung i-graph natin siya, ito yung magiging parabola natin. Ayan. So, if we wrote that, i-check natin kung tama ba yung focus. So, ang formula ng focus natin is h minus a k. So, i-substitute natin, which is negative 1 minus 4, 5. That will be equal to 3, 5. So, i-check natin yung focus natin kung tama ba. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito yung focus natin. Para naman sa latus rectum, LR, since 3 over 5 yung focus natin, positive and negative 8. So, ang magiging latus rectum natin is 3, 5, positive, negative 8. So, yun lang po. Sana po may natutunan kayo. Thank you so much.